Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today we are going to talk about graphing inequality. So in our previous algebra lessons, we learned how to graph regular functions. Today we're going to be graphing inequalities. So let's see what inequalities are. So many of you might be familiar with this actually. An inequality is a place where one side is greater than other, or one side is less than other than being equal, or maybe greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Now, for understanding these functions, we also have to solve them. So let's say an easy one. X squared plus 6x minus 5, less than negative 5. Here we put everything to the right side so that the other side will be 0. Then we do some factoring, and this is the intervals that we're going to be solving from. Now these intervals is what I'm going to show you right now. Let's draw a number line, a simple regular number line. So these are the intervals where these are going to be solved. So if we pick something like negative 3 into the equation, like negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 5. Here, negative 3 squared will be negative 3 times negative 3. So let's do something beyond these so that we can figure out what are the intervals that will not be in here. Suppose 0. So 0 squared plus 6 times 0 plus 5. Here 0 squared is 0 plus 6 times 0 is 0 plus 5, which will be only 5, and 5 is not less than 0, so 0 won't be it. And if we choose something like negative 6, then it'll be negative 36 plus negative 36 plus 5, where it will be only 5 because these cut, and 5 is not less than 0. So that says that this interval is the only interval where these will work. You can even note the fact that x is more than negative 5 and less than negative 1, which is noted like this. Polynomial is the exact same thing. For a polynomial is the exact same thing, such as 4x squared minus 9x plus 31 is greater than 3x squared minus 10x plus 43. Sorry if the handwriting is a little messed up. Now here we're going to break down the like terms, and it breaks down into this. Then we factor it. That means the set of x would be negative infinity, 4, and -3, and then positive infinity. Now let's go into graphing. Now we're going to go over through 3 examples. That's why I have 3 graphing stuff here. So if we say a function like y equals to y is greater than or equal to x plus 2, we have to treat y as if it is equal to x plus 2. So this is basically y equals to x, and it's just a vertical shift, and everything above this line, it could be this line and everything above it. So we can shade the line above it. Sorry if my shading is not that bad. I mean, not that good. Or if something y equals to greater than or equal to x squared minus 4, it'll be the exact same thing. This, and then shade it. And now let's graph a rational function. For this, we have to erase these stuff. Now, with a bit of math, we can see the x-intercept is x equals to -1. And the y-intercept is x equals to -3. Now this is a rough sketch of the graph, and the interval for the solutions. And the interval for the solutions will be these two. So the solution set would be -∞, comma 3, and -1, comma infinity. And it has a U, which stands for union, and we'll cover that later in our algebra series when we cover set theories, which is way at the end of algebra. So that's all there is to it. You can subscribe to my channel for more math and science videos. You can like the video, and you can comment down below if my videos are helpful, or if you have any questions or anything in general. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.